Yo, what's up, people? Okay, I thought I'd make a little quick tip video for Plasti dip. If you've Plasti dipped your rims and they are slightly damaged or chipping away, I had these tyres replaced on my rims, as you can see, and dude was a newbie and they got a little damaged. So I'm just showing that if it's peeled up, instead of peeling it all off and respraying them, you can actually feather them out, like sanding them, but with thinners. Prepsol's way better, but I'll just give you a quick show what you can do. So you just get some thinners on a rag. Not much there. You can see there how it's quite lifted. All you do is give it a wipe quickly from the outer edge to the damaged bit. So you're pretty much feathering it out. You don't have to be so vicious like I just did there, but yeah, see it just feathers out. Some more there. There you go. You can wipe any dirt off quickly with the thinners. But as I said, Prepsol is far better. So I'll do a finishing video once I finished it. That's first coat there. Around here is second coat. But yeah, so all I did is got some duct tape, slid it in between all the rim and the tyre, and did that process I just showed before. So there's a bit there. So yeah, once that's all done and covered, you just give it one coat. It'll get rid of all the dirt, etc. I've done this one as well. This one wasn't so bad. But gee, you can't tell at all now. It's as good as new. So that's just a quick, easy tip if you don't want to peel it all off and do it again. But yeah, and if you do peel it all off and have bits stuck everywhere, Prepsol is your go-to product, wax and grease remover, and you just wipe it off. So if you got any bits that are stuck in funny places. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that boring little, probably non-productive video, but hey, it's good to learn some little backyard tips. Take care everyone, peace.